Hi all, in previous session we completed exercise 11.1 solutions. Next, trigonometric values. To find the trigonometric values here, first what are the trigonometric ratios? Sine, cos, tan, sec, cosec and cot. That is first trigonometric value. That is here, first ratio is what here? Sine. To find the trigonometric values here I am taking 0 to 4. That is 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. That is here, this is 0 degrees, this is 30 degrees and this is 45 degrees. And this is 60 degrees and this is 90 degrees. That means what? First one is sine 0 degrees and sine 30 degrees, sine 45, sine 60 and sine 90. Now find the values of sine 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90. To find this here we are taking what? 0 to 4. That is here last value is what? 4. So divide each value with 4. That is here by 4, 4 and here also 4 and here also 4, 4. Next, apply the square root to these values. That means square root of 0 by 4 and square root of 1 by 4 and square root of 2 by 4 and square root of 3 by 4 and square root of 4 by 4. That is here square root of 0 by square root of 4. And here also square root of 1 by square root of 4. Square root of 2 by square root of 4. Square root of 3 by square root of 4. And here also square root of 4 by square root of 4. See here, square root of 0 means what? 0 only. And 0 by root 4 value is what here? 2. And next root 1 means 1. And root 4 is 2. And here it is what? Root 2 means here? That is root 2 only. This is root 4. How you write this root 4 here? Root 2 into root 2 is equals to root 4. Here root 2 gets cancelled. Next here root 3 by here root 4. Root 4 means this is what? 2. In the denominator it is 2. Here it is what? Root 4 and root 4 both are cancelled. Now it is equals to 1. Now it is what? 0 by something is equals to what? 0. That is it is 0. And this is what? 1 by 2. And this is 1 by root 2. And this is root 3 by 2. And this is 1. That means what here? Sine 0 is 0 and sine 30 is 1 by 2 and sine 45 is 1 by root 2 and sine 60 is root 3 by 2 and sine 90 is 1. Now we are having these sine values. By using these sine values only we can determine the next trigonometric ratios. That is cos, tan, cot, sec and cosec values from these values only. Let us see how it is. This is the tabular form of trigonometric values. In this we are having what? These are the angles and these are the trigonometric ratios. That is angles are what? 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90. Already here we are having what? Sine values. That is what? Sine 0, that is sine 0 degrees is equals to what? 0 here. Let here 0 and next one is what? Sine 30 degrees. Sine 30 degrees is equals to what? 1 by 2. That is here 1 by 2. And next one is what? Sine 45. Sine 45 is what here? 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2 and next sine 60. That is sine 60 degrees is equals to root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2 and next one is what? Sine 90. That is sine 90 is equals to 1. Next we have to find out from these sine values only remaining ratio values, that is cos, tan, cot, sec and cosec. How you find this here? That is cos 0. First we have to find out cos 0. That is here cos 0 is equals to what? Sin 90. Cos 0 is equals to what? Sin 90. That is sin 90 value is what here? This is 1. And next this is equals to what? This sin 0 is cos 0 is equals to what? Sin 90. Then what is cos 90 is equals to? This is sin 0. That is here 0. That is here crisscross the values. That is here sin 0 is equals to cos 90 and sin 90 is equals to cos 0. In the same way, next one is what here? Sin 30. That is cos 30. Cos 30 means here this is equals to what? Sin 60. That is this is root 3 by 2. And next here cos 60. Cos 60 is equals to what? Sin 30. That is sin 30 value is what? 1 by root 2. Here sin 45 is equals to what? Cos 45. That is here 1 by root 2. That means what here? Here sin of 90 minus theta is equals to what? Cos theta. That is sin and cos are what? Complementary angles. That is sin 90 minus theta is equals to cos theta. In the same way here sin 60 is equals to what? Cos 30. Sin 60 is equals to cos 30. And sin 90 is equals to what here? Cos 0. Sin 90 is equals to cos 0 and sin 60 equals to cos 30. That is, these two are the complementary angles. Next, how you find out these tan values? Already we know that tan is equals to what? Sin by cos. Sin by cos. That is here tan values means here divide sin and cos values. That is 0 by 1. That is tan 0 equals to 0 by 1. That is 0 by something is equals to what? 0. And next tan values. That is tan 30. That is 1 by 2 by root 3 by 2. That is 2 cancel. Now tan 30 is equals to 1 by root 3. And next one is what here? Tan 45. That is 1 by root 2 by 1 by root 2. Here root 2 and 1 all are cancelled. The remaining value is 1. That is tan 45 is equals to 1. And next one is what? Tan 60. That is root 3 by 2 by 1 by 2. That is 2 cancelled. Remaining is root 3 here. Next one is tan 90. That is 1 by 0. 0 by something is 0 and 1 by 0 means it is not defined. This is not defined. Next one is cot. That is to find the cot values here. Already we know that this is the multiplicative inverse of tan. That is multiplicative inverse means how you find these values here. That is to find the reciprocals of tan values, then automatically you can get the cot values. Here first one is what? Tan 0. That is cot 0. Cot 0 is equals to what here? 1 by tan 0. That is tan 0 value is 0. 1 by 0 means what? Not defined. 1 by 0 means not defined. Here find the multiplicative inverse, or else you can do here just crisscross the values of tan and cot. That is here tan 0 is equals to what here? Cot 90. That is tan 0 value is what here? 0. That is it is equals to 0. That is tan 90 is equals to what? Cot 0. And next one is what here? Cot 30. Cot 30 means it is equals to what? Tan 60. That is here it is root 3 and here it is 1 by root 3. And next one is cot 45. That is cot 45 is equals to tan 45. That is it is equals to 1. That is just crisscross these two values. That means what? These tan and cot are what here? These two are the complementary angles. These two are the complementary angles and multiplicative inverse also. And here also in before sin and cos are also what? These two are also complementary angles. Tan and cot are multiplicative inverse and also these two are the complementary angles. Complementary means what here? That is tan of 90 minus theta is equals to what? Cot theta. Tan 60 is equals to what? Cot 30. One see here, tan 60 value is what? Root 3. That is cot 30 is equals to what here? This is also root 3. And next one is what here? Tan 45 is equals to what? Cot 45. Tan 45 is equals to what? Cot 45. That means what? This tan and cot are complementary angles and this tan is the multiplicative inverse of cot. And next one is what here? Sec value. That is how you find these sec values here. That is, this is the multiplicative inverse of what? Cos values. That is here. First sec, that is sec 0 is equals to, that is multiplicative inverse means 1 by cos values. That is 1 by 1 equals to what? Here 1. And next secant 30, that is secant 30 is equals to 1 by root 3 by 2. That is it is equals to what? 2 by root 3. And next one is what? Secant 45. That is secant 45 means 1 by root 2. That is it is equals to what? Root 2. And next one is what? Secant 60. That is secant 60 means what? 1 by 2. That is equals to what here? 2. And next one is what? Secant 90. That is secant 90 means 1 by 0. 1 by 0 means what? Not defined. Not defined. These are the secant values. Next one is what? Cosecant values. That is here. Cosecant means here already we know that cosecant is the multiplicative inverse of what? Sine. Or else you can find out here, these two are the complementary angles. Complementary angles means what? Just you crisscross these values of secant and cosecant. That is here, cosecant 0 means what? Secant 90. That is not defined. Not defined. And what about cosecant 90 here? Cosec 90 equals to secant 0. That is here it is 1. And next cosec 30 is equals to what here? Secant 60. That is here it is root 3 and here it is 2 by root 3. And next one is what? Cosec 45 is equals to what? Here it is root 2. That is here secant of 90 minus theta. Secant of 90 minus theta is equals to cosec theta. That is here secant 60 is equals to what? Cosec 30. Secant 60 equals to cosec 30. And secant 90 is equals to what? Cosec 0. Secant 90 equals to cosec 0. Once see here, secant 60. That is secant 60 value is root 2. Secant 60 value is 2 here. Now it is equals to cosec 30. Cosec 30 value is what here? 2. That means here next sin 90, secant 90 equals to cosec 0. Secant 90 is equals to what? Not defined. That is cosec 0 is equals to also not defined. That is these two are the complementary angles. That is sin and cos are the complementary angles, tan and cot are the complementary angles and secant and cosec are the complementary angles. These are the trigonometric values. If you know only sine values, from that sine only you can easily find out the remaining trigonometric ratios. That is s cos, tan, cot, secant, cosec. That is what you observed in this table here. This sin and cos are what? Complementary angles. And tan and cot are what? These two are multiplicative inverse of tan is cot. And these two are the complementary angles also. And next secant cosecant are what here? These two are the complementary angles. By this, if you know only sign values, then automatically you can find the remaining trigonometric values. In the next session, we will see the problems how to solve by using these trigonometric values.
If you want to continue with this channel, make sure you continue to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.